How to add money in Aviator game. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add money in Aviator game. Adding money in Aviator game is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game, launch the Aviator game on your device. Find the store or shop section. Look for a shop, store or purchase button in the game's main menu or setting. This is usually where you can buy in-game currency or items. Choose an item or currency. Select the item or amount of in-the-game currency you want to purchase. Proceed to payment. Tap on item or currency you want to buy. You will be directed to a payment screen. Select payment method. Choose your payment method. This could be through your Apple ID, Google Play account, eSeva or other payment option available in the game. Complete the purchase. Follow the prompt to enter your payment information and confirm the purchase. Confirm transaction. After completing the transaction, the purchased money or item should be added to your game account. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.